Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If today is your new day of visiting our channel, this is Power Transformer TV. Alright, so you can click to our subscription button, like our video if you find them interesting. Alright, today I'm excited to walk you all through a recent project where we brought a 50 kVA by 11 kV transformer back to life, as you can see in the video. That's our company. We brought a high-up that will leave the transformer out from its original location into the high-up to take it to our shop for proper care and all of that. So as many know, this transformer has been burnt out and was in serious need of repair. That's why they called us. So our team went through the entire process, which will be shown in this video. Not all will be shown in this video, but few might be shown in this video. So our team went through some process by diagnosing the faults, rewinding the coils, and replacing the insulation, like that, business insulation, and testing everything thoroughly. Alright, everything thoroughly in the transformer. So, and after everything, we mounted it back to its original location. This is an institution, as you can see. This is an institution, Brain Capital Institution. Alright, back to our winding. So we are setting up our winding, because we are to wind 3 poles of the transformer. Alright, so that's the winding process of the transformer, the winding process of the 3 poles of the transformer. But you all should bear with us, we didn't capture the exact moment of counting the turns on camera, but as you can see, we have the footage of the winding process. So you see that we carefully rewind the transformer layer by layer, because it goes by layers. Alright, so we winded the transformer layer by layer, and we worked on 3 poles of the transformer, not just one, because like I said earlier, 3 were burnt. Alright, so we had to wind 3 of the transformer windings. So but after the winding, we did the heating. The transformer passed through heating process, but unfortunately we don't have the video footage of it. You all should bear with us, but next time we try to provide that. So but for this one, we only have the rewinding footage of how we rewinded the transformer. Alright, so as you can see, the work is ongoing. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are done with 2 poles. Right, so we are done with 2 poles of the transformer. So if you watch carefully, you will see that the coil have spaces in between them. That space which you are seeing is an air gap. That air gap is the place whereby oil pass through the coil. Alright, so oil pass through those openings you are seeing. Right, oil pass through those openings. So it remains 1 pole to round up our, as you can see, remain 1 pole to round up our winding process. So stay with us. Alright guys, so as you can see in the video, this is the heating process of our transformer. This is not the 50 kVA inside this, but I'm just trying to use this to explain how we heat our transformer. But inside is not the 50 kVA transformer. So that's the heating process of our transformer. Alright guys, so finally, after all the meticulous work, we are now back on site. We are now installing the transformer and getting everything ready to deliver reliable power once again. Alright, stay tuned for more insights, and thank you for following along. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our videos. Alright.